a shadow overhead. I've been sleeping with the clouds above my bed. I've been lonely for so long. Dropping a pass, I just can't seem to move on. I've been hiding all my hopes of dreams away, just in case I ever need them again someday. I've been setting aside time to clear a little space in the corners of my mind. All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can make it through without a way back into love. I can make it through without a way back into love. Oh.
Dun 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 dun.
This is for my people who just lost somebody. Your best friend, your baby, your man, or your lady. Put your hand way up high. We will never say bye. As a child, driving God. I didn't care if you get me alive. I didn't know but it shows sometimes. And Sunday morning said I miss you. I'm gonna talk to all the grown full days separation brings. You never let me know it, you never let it show it, 'cause you love me. And obviously there's so much more to say. You are ready to say face to face. I never knew I could hurt like this. And everyday life goes on by. Wish about you
To go well,
wish about you not to cry as time goes by. As soon as you reach a better place, and like a bold world to see your face, and I'll be nice to you, and I'll be next to you, and say bye, bye.
It's hard.
It's hard to say bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Come on, a while. Come on, little child. Oh, hey, hey, hey. So this is for my people who just lost somebody.
And they just... Yukong nani sore?
Building block.
Nope. Nope, what's that? Horse?
No? Nope.
Tricycle?
Mic mo sana to. Tinatawag ka. Eh? Mami.